Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can redeem your daraz coins. If you have collected or if you have some coins, then you can get some discount by that coins. So for that, just open your daraz app on your mobile phone. Now select any product that you want to purchase or buy. Let's suppose I will select any product. I will click on this one. Now in order to buy this product, just simply click on this buy now. Select any select product, just click on buy now. Now here is the checkout page. Here you can redeem your coins. Now at the very below you can see the total amount is 1299. So this is the total amount that you have to pay for this product. Now in order to redeem your coins, just below invoice and contact info you can see an option called coins. At the very front side of coins there are written as redeem Rs33. It means your coin is worth of 33 rupees. So now in order to redeem your coins to get some discount, click on this redeem, and now you can see it below your total amount is reduced by 33 rupees and you can get this total discount Rs 33. So this 33 discount is due to your coins. So this is the way how you can redeem your coins or you can use your coins to get some discount on draws.